that simplifies your work, easy to set up, the EPS, Easy Positioning System. Hey everyone, I'm Frank from ZSK. Today I will show you a tool which will simplify your life when you're an embroidery shop or DTF printing, the EPS or Easy Positioning System. This tool will help you to align and simplify your production. Let's unbox and I will show you. So in the step one, we just take the base plate and put this distance plate here fix it with 3 screws, 24 inches. So in the next step, we need an item which you might have already, or you need to have. This is the HoopMaster. So this hopefully is in your inventory already, right? So then we put it here next to the 2 holes, but it's a little bit tricky because this is flat and has to be coming up. So we put here a small distance so that it's easier to screw in. Then we put it in the holes, take the 2 screws, perfect. So here are the 6 holes in the plates, but the screws are not included because we don't know which are the right screws for your table which you are using. So please put here these screws into these 6 holes and align it to your table. Now you have to screw the tube flange into the base, means here in the back. These 2 screws should be in the back and you're all set when you mount these 4 screws. Done. So this part comes into 2 parts and you have just to mount this here and screw it into the hole which is existing. So now we take this one again and here's a little bit of screw which you tighten. Not too much, but tighten it up, so otherwise it will turn. Okay? So then we have this bolt screw and this link here. There is a hole. We just go through it and you just screw it here into ready. So now we are taking this body into this opening here. It's a little bit tricky. That's it. So now we are preparing the adapter plate. So here are the screws inside, but we need first to take off this little body here. There is a lock, so you have to press this down, then you can take it off. And there is a screw. This screw comes here in the middle and you just fix it on the adapter plate. Ready. So now we have the projector and here we just mount our adapter plate with the 4 screws which are in the package. Ready. So now we have to move here the plate in this direction so that it's straight. Then you fix it with this bolt here. Now you take the projector, the lens is showing downstairs, and you just click it in. Ready. Okay, in the next step, we are just taking out this magical EPS controller, small mini PC, take it out. Plug it into the socket. Then we have to turn this so that you can reach the plugs for the HDMI cable, which has to be connected also to the controller, of course. And then we have this cable here, which we plug from the projector to the power. And then you just bring it up again into this position. Okay, so now the mechanical part is mounted. So we have the board, we have the plate, and we have the projector. So now we just start the projector. So now it takes a little time that it warms up. And then we need to calibrate the sharpness, which you do here with 2 buttons on the right hand side. So now you have, with the 2 buttons on the right hand side, you have to make it clear so that it's sharp. When it's sharp, then with these controls here, you go to the HDMI, you press 1 time. Now it's switching to the HDMI, and you have to start the control, which is on the right hand side, a button. And you see now it's ready for the next calibration step. Welcome to your EPS. Here it is. So for step 1, connect your device to the EPS. How you do this? To connect your device via the wireless, scan the connection barcode at your device. The second is that you open your browser on your device and open this URL. Okay, so now comes the exciting part where to recalibrate the projector with the HoopMaster. So here in our menu of the EPS software, which you just have installed, is the calibration grid. So we press it and you see a grid is coming up. This grid has now to be aligned to our base plate from the HoopMaster. Therefore, we are shifting this to this position here, so that it's in a 90 degrees angle. And now you see it's, because this is the flat and this is coming up a little bit, it's not aligned 100%, but we have to, you have a 3-dimensional axis here, which you have to calibrate that it's here coming straight to the lines of your HoopMaster base. All right, so you can, with a little bit left and right, you will figure out. So you see all the lines here and you see all the holes here. So this is your, let's say, position help, where you can do this, and this you can put also in line with a leveler. There are some apps on your iPhone or on your phone, I think, which is possible to use, or even a mechanical one. So same thing what we have done before, we have now to calibrate it that it's clear and sharp with the 2 right-hand buttons here on the control. So now the beamer shows the image of the HoopMaster base, and now we are just calibrating it again. So with our tablets here, we have these functions, and then we go a little bit on the left, for example here, so that it's aligned to the middle and the size. So then we go a little bit up, and you see it's not 100% aligned, so we go a little bit left down again, and we go a little bit left again and down again. So then it's not 100%. So now we have to go little steps, which is minimal. And now it's done. So once the calibration is up to the mark, like it is here, then we say save calibration, and then it's going to save this into your system. Okay, so now we're ready to hoop. So means we are uploading our image via USB flash drive or network into our tablet. So what we have done, here it is. And now you can, here in the script, you can just, you see, move your design wherever you want to have it. I just do it on the white so that you can see it better, but you can do it also, of course, when the garment is inside. And when you go now to the edges where you cannot embroider, you see a warning. Means it's a yellow field coming up, gives you a hint, here we cannot embroider. So you go back to the position. And if you want to just center it, it's the most easiest way. You just double click here and done. All right. So then we go the next step. We just take the part from the Mighty Hoop, put it into the stencil here. Then we have the backing. Click, click. Done. Then we just put your shirt on the HoopMaster like you know it from the normal procedure. Here we are. You align it with the cuff and done. Ready to go. This simplifies your work, easy to set up, the EPS, Easy Positioning System.